Hello and welcome to the channel. So today we are about to learn 4 very useful tips for your browser. I will use on-screen keyboard so you can see whatever key that I press on my laptop. For example, if I press Shift key, you can see it here, but there's a little problem with the space key. When I press the space key, you cannot see it on the screen, so I will press it manually like this. So start your browser, and our first tip is about how you can browse up and down without using the mouse. So you have to press the space key. As I told you before that space key is not visible on the this on-screen keyboard, so I will press it manually. As you can see, you can browse the page down by pressing the space key, and if you want to go up, you have to press the space key and Shift key. So this is our first trick. Now the second tip is about how you can block the ads that are so annoying on any website. So how you can block that? For that, you need to install an extra plugin, an extra add-on to your browser, and the name of the extension is AdBlcok. You can find it for any browser. For example, I am using FireFox, so I will search it for FireFox, and as you can see, this extension is available for Chrome, available for Firefox, for Opera, and for other browsers also. I will install it on my Firefox, so I will use this Firefox one. You can also install it on your Mac Safari browser. Click this link. I will share the link to this add-on for all the browsers in the description of this video. So you have to click this add to my Firefox or whatever browser you have. Now click this add and click OK. I got it. Now you are ready to block any of the annoying ads on any website. Let's test it. So as you can see, we are on this YouTube page, and it's already blocking the 3 ads on this home page. You can also see the detail of that blocked ads. If you accidentally close any tab on any browser, how you can restore that? For example, I just closed the YouTube tab, and to restore that, Ctrl Shift and T, Shift and T. Sorry, you was not able to see the T, but Ctrl Shift and T. This will bring this accidentally closed tab again. You can also use this on Mac. For Mac you can use Command plus Shift plus T to restore your accidentally closed tab. Now the fourth tip. So our fourth tip is about private browsing. In this mode your browser will not save any data or web history. So to activate this, Ctrl Shift and P. So now we are in private browsing. And to use the private browser, Google Chrome. So now we are in Google Chrome's private browsing. As I told you, your browser will not store any history or web data on your system. So these were the 4 very useful tips for your browser. Please subscribe the channel for more useful videos. Take care. Bye.